Dear students, research scholars, faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss the sensor resolution and its utilization in IRS and Landsat mission. Before starting the video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that at the end of the video you will be able to answer the quiz question correctly. The link has been given in the description drop down menu. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Sensor resolution. Although we discussed it earlier, yet for remembering just the point, sensor is a device which take the observation and send information to electronic circuit linked with it. Just remember this. Quality of sensor depends upon the performance of spatial resolution, spectral resolution, temporal resolution and radiometric resolution. Spatial resolution, the smallest possible feature that can be detected, or the linear dimension on the ground represented by each pixel or grid cell in the image taken by the sensor. Spectral resolution, it is the quality of sensor can record the number of dimension of wavelength bands of electromagnetic spectrum. Just remember the temporal resolution, it depends upon the prefixed satellite motion. It is the frequency of repetitive coverage. And radiometric resolution, it refers the different signal strength presented by our number in pixel. The number of possible brightness value in each band of data, it is determined by the number of bits into which the recorded energy is divided. In 2-bit data, the value ranges from 0 to 3, that is 2 to the power 4. In 6-bit data, it is ranges from 0 to 63, and similarly in 8-bit data, it is ranges from 0 to 255. Actually, the formula is 2 to the power n. N is the number of bit. In this way, we can calculate the radiometric data ranges. Let's come into spatial resolution. You will see that 1 meter resolution of Camp Randall Stadium, Wisconsin University. Here the picture 10 meter resolution, and here the 20 meter resolution. You will see that the lesser resolution is greater brightness. IRS mission, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite Mission. India begins the development of an indigenous IRS program through the experimental launching of Bhaskar 1 and Bhaskar 2 in 1979 and 1981 respectively. The experimental Earth observation satellites developed and built by ISRO. At the starting of the 21st century, India has two very capable launch systems, namely PSLV and GSLV. Before it, India would have been dependent on USSR for satellite launching. IRS 1A and 1B were launched by Russian Vostok booster from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. For the observation and management of the country's natural resources such as agriculture, hydrology, geology, drought and flood monitoring, marine studies, snow studies, and land use, India has achieved to provide a long-term spaceborne operational capability. It is happened due to the IRS is the integrated LEO low Earth orbit element on the India's national natural resource management system. Points to be remembered for IRS mission. The Indian National Satellite Systems or INSAT is a series of multi-purpose geostationary satellites or GEO geosynchronous Earth orbit elements. The INSAT satellite is launched by ISRO to satisfy the telecommunication, broadcasting, meteorology, resource searching, rescue operation, and Earth observation functions. The first generation satellites IRS 1A and 1B were designed, developed, and launched successfully during 1988 and 1991. IRS 1A and 1B launched with multispectral camera with spatial resolution of 72.5 meter and 36 meter respectively. IRS P3 satellite, which is flying MOS multispectral optoelectronic scanner for the measurement of ocean color. The IRS P4 mission is dedicated to ocean monitoring. IRS 1C 1D data has been used for cartographic and town planning application. Now we have to remember some related abbreviation used in IRS mission. Actually, it is very important to remember. First is IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicles. GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicles. LEO, Low Earth Orbit. NNRMS, National Natural Resource Management System. GEO, Geosynchronous Earth Orbit. LIS, Linear Image Self-Scanning Sensor. WIPS, Wide Field Sensor. AWIPS, Advanced Wide Field Sensor. MOS, Multispectral Optoelectronic Scanner, Atmosphere Ocean System. OCM, Ocean Color Monitor. MSMR, Multi-Frequency Scanning Microwave Radiometer. SCATSAT, scatterometer satellite. RISAT, radar imaging system. SAR, synthetic aperture radar. CNES, Center National d'Etudes Spatiales. The France Space Agencies. SHORL, satellite with AGROS and Altica. MADRAS, multi-frequency microwave scanning radiometer. SAPHIR, sound for probing vertical profiles of humidity. SACRAB, scanner for radiation budget. GPS ROS, global positioning system, robot operating system. Altica, Ka-band altimeter. DORIS, Doppler orbitography and radio positioning integrated by satellite. ARGOS, Advanced Research and Global Observation Satellite. LRA, Laser Retroreflector Array. Now the IRS mission continued. Here is a table in which the satellites and their different characteristics has been pointed out, and the huge information you have to understand and remember. IRS-1A, launched in 1988. Sensor LIS-1 and LIS-2. Here the 4 spectral band, blue, green, red, and NIR, near infrared. In LIS-1, 72.5 meter spectral resolution, and in LIS-2, 36.25 meter spectral resolution. SWAT for LIS-1 148 and LIS-2 74. Altitude of the satellite 904 kilometers. Repeat cycle and period of this satellite 22 days cycle, and period 103 minute, that is 103 minute. IRS-1B launched on 1991, and all the properties are same as IRS-1A. IRS-P2 launched on 1994. It has the sensor LIS-2M, 4 spectral band here, blue, green, red, and NIR. Spatial resolution 36.25 meter. Altitude of the satellite is 814 kilometer, and SWAT 131 kilometer. Cycle of the satellite is 24 days and period 103 minutes. IRS-1C launched on 1995. It has 3 sensors, LIS-3, PAN, and WIFS. LIS-3 has 4 spectral band, green, red, near infrared, mid infrared. PAN, black and white spectral band, and WIFS, red and near infrared spectral band. Spatial resolution LIS 23.5 meter, pan 5.8 meter, and WIPS 188 meters. Altitude of the satellite 817 kilometer, and swath for LIS-3 142, pan 70, and WIPS 804 kilometer. Repeat cycle and period of this satellite is 24 days and 101 minutes respectively. In case of IRS-P3, it is launched on 1996. It has the sensor WIPS, MOS-A, MOS-B, MOS-C, and IXAE. 5 different sensors. In WIPS, spectral band red, near infrared, and mid infrared. In MOS-A, short range of near infrared. MOS-B, part of visible and infrared. MOS-3, wide range of near infrared. And XIAE, Indian X-ray astronomy experiment. Here the spatial resolution WIPS 188 meter, MOS-A 1500 meter, MOS-B 520, and MOS-C 550. Altitude of the satellite IRS-P3 is 817 kilometer from the surface of the earth, and swath for WIPS 804, MOS-A 195, MOS-B 200, and MOS-C 192 kilometer. A repeat cycle and period of this satellite is 24 days, period 101 minutes. In IRS-P4, which is known as OceanSat-1, it is launched on 1999. Before it, IRS-1D, which launched on 1997, the satellite and instrument are identical of those IRS-1C. Next come to IRS-P4, which is known as OceanSat-1, launched on 1999. It has two sensor complement, OCM and MSMR. Spectral and spatial resolution for these 0.4 to 0.9 micrometer, that is visible to infrared. For OCM, which spatial resolution 360 into 236 meter, and multi-frequency scanning microwave radiometer MSMR, which frequencies are 6.6, 10.65, 18, and 21 gigahertz frequencies. And spatial resolution frequencies here 105 and 66 into 43, 40 into 26, 34 into 22 kilometer for frequency sequence. Altitude of the satellite 720 kilometer from the surface of the earth, and swath for OCM 1420 kilometer, and for MSMR 1360 kilometer. Cycle of this satellite and period 2 days, period 99.3 minutes, and it is the same for this satellite. IRS P6 or ResourceSat-1 launched on 2003. It has 3 different sensors, LIS-4, LIS-3, aWIFEs. The LIS, in case of LIS-4, it has 3 spectral band, green, red, near infrared, LIS, green, red, near infrared and mid infrared. aWIFEs, it has 3 spectral band, red, near infrared and mid infrared. Spatial resolution for LIS-4 5.8 meter, LIS-3 23.5 meter and aWIFEs 70 meter. Altitude of the satellite is 817 km from the surface of the earth. In case of SWAT, for LIS-4 70, LIS-3 140 and aWIFEs 740 km respectively. In ResourceSat or IRS P6, repeat cycle 24 days and period 101.35 minutes. In case of IRS P5 or Cartosat, it is launched on 2005. It has 2 sensor complement, Pan F and Pan A. Spectral resolution for these 2 sensor complement is black and white, and spatial resolution very low 2.5 meter, swath 30 kilometer, and altitude of this satellite 618 kilometer from the surface of the earth. Period 97.1 minute and repeat cycle for these 116 days. In case of Cartosat 2, it is launched on 2007. It has pan camera which record the spectral band black to infrared portion and spatial resolution less than 1 meter. Remember it, spatial resolution is very good, less than 1 meter. Swath is 9.6 kilometer and altitude of the satellite 630 kilometer. Repeat cycle 5 days and period of this satellite 97.3 minutes. In case of OceanSat satellite, OceanSat 2, it is launched on 2009. It has 3 sensor complement, OCM, SCAT and ROSA. Spectral band for OCM 0.4 to 0.9, 8 bands here. SCAT 13.515 gigahertz frequencies here. ROSA for GPS occultation. Spatial resolution in meter for OCM is 360 into 236. SCAT 25 kilometer into 25 kilometer. So altitude of this satellite 720 kilometer from the surface of the earth. For ocean color monitoring, OCM swath is 1420, SCAT 1400, that is 1400, and repeat cycle for this OceanSat 2 satellite 2 days and period 99.5 minutes. In case of RESAT, it is launched on 2011. It has synthetic aperture radar instrument which spectral band C band and spatial resolution less than 2 meter to 50 meter. Swath is 100 to 600 kilometer and altitude 536 kilometer. Repeat cycle 25 days and period 99.49 minutes. Megatropics, Indo-French joint satellite, launched on 2011. It has 4 sensor complement. Madras, Sapphire, Sakrab, GPS Rose. First is 5-channel radiometer. Second is ATMOS sounder, that is Atmos sounder. Sakrab, radiation budget, and GPS ROS occultation. Spatial resolution for all this sensor 40 kilometer into 60 kilometer and swath 1700 kilometer. Altitude of the satellite is 865 kilometer from the surface of the earth. And repeat cycle and period for this satellite Megatropics, 7 days repeat cycle and period 102 minutes. Shorol, it also the joint satellite Indo-France. It launched on 2011. It has 4 different sensor complement: Altica, Dioris, Agros 3, LRA. In case of Altica, 35.75 gigahertz Ka-band altimeter present here. Dioris, SC tracking and POD service. Agros 3, data collection system. LRA, satellite laser ranging. This is the all in IRS mission, and here the end of part 1 of this video. Sensor resolution in IRS and Landsat mission. To continue, watch the next part.